Question number 3 is, what is a great form of natural spider control? There isn't one. Spiders are an excellent partner in the ecosystem. Even if I knew one, I probably wouldn't tell you, because they're so good at keeping the rest of nature in balance. Now, we are afraid of spiders. We may not want them in our house. So great, put up sticky traps or something. I'm not putting poison around my house. Like, I'm just not doing it, So put out your little sticky traps or something for the spiders. But as far as like when they're out in the garden, they're doing their job. Like, they really do have a job to play. The fear is on our end. And I don't want to say we've got to get over our fear, but we need to learn how to work around it. We need to work around and navigate that system. I had a kid once that was one of my interns. She was terrified of butterflies. I'm talking grown girl, like 19, 20, 21 years old, cry when the butterflies would, because she's just terrified of. Now, do we need to go kill all the butterflies? No, we do. We need to learn how to navigate our fears and maybe avoid the butterflies or work through them. It doesn't mean you need to get to the place where you pick up spiders and you cuddle them. Just ignore them. You know what I mean? They are a part of the ecosystem. They're okay to be there. Our fears do not automatically give us the right to go kill that other creature. We have to remember they are doing a job in the ecosystem, just like we are doing a job in the ecosystem. We've got to learn how to play nicely together, so to speak. So.